a very weird video. I'm doing if I only used big items for a day. Yeah. This video kind of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland in a way. I don't even know. Just one day I was like, this would be a cool video idea. So here I am doing it. I feel like people are gonna think I'm so weird for this. Let me know down below if you guys would rather use small items or big oversized items. I don't know which one I would use. Be sure to subscribe to me right here and down below, and don't forget to turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. Without further ado, let's get started on this video. Let's go. I'm literally bleeding.
Scoop.
A few moments later.
Run.
When you try your best
best, but you don't succeed.
Does anyone have a queen?
Sorry, this is real extra.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Definitely thumbs it up if you guys think it's super weird, and comment below if you would rather use big items or small items. Definitely subscribe, it will be right here and down below, and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. But yeah, I'll be here chilling. Honestly, I could sleep in here to say the least. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. That was weird.
Not.
Did I really do that?
Sorry. You're no longer fucking.
Do you have a 3 heart? Is that what
A
you say?
3 heart.
Queen of hearts?
This is right.